Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance minder on a 2017 Honda CR-V. And I'm going to show you how to reset it inside the car using the information display. So we'll just go ahead, press the start button, we'll press it again, and I kept my foot off the brake so we're not starting the car. And once everything comes alive here, we can go ahead and hit the information button here until we go to oil life. Okay, it only took us one shot. We're right there at oil life, and you can see this vehicle right now is at 30%, and the service that's due is a B, 1, and 3. And I'll show you what those codes mean later. But for right now, all the service is done, so we need to go ahead and reset it. So we're just going to hold the enter button down for 10 seconds approximately, and then we should see it change. And there it pops up and it defaults to cancel. And then if we scroll down using our arrows here, we can select all items due, or we can select individual items, like in this case B only, 1 only, 2 only. And if we keep scrolling, and all I'm doing is hitting it down, we can scroll through all the items until we hit cancel again. So in this case we want to select all items due because they're all done. And now we're just going to hold the enter button down, and I think we just have to hold it down for about a second. And there, now the reset is complete and oil life is back to 100%. And all I did was hold that enter button down for about 1 second. So that's how you reset the maintenance minder on these 2017 Honda CR-Vs. If you're curious what those service codes are, there are the main items right there. And here are the sub items. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.